Good afternoon, teacher. I am Joanit Bakhardi. I am 21 years old, studying the psychology, programming the English code. What did it do actress? Lágrimas Fisher and a family delicious at the Quebec stop. The typical dish of my Caribbean region is coconut rice. It is a very typical dish in my region. It is accompanied with the varieties that you want. It is very delicious. It is accompanied with fries with lemon juice, whole bread planted, and salad. Ingredients: coconut 1 unit, rice pound, brown sugar 150 gram, salt 20 gram, oil 10 milliliter, water 2 liter. Preparación: Just coconut milk by blend this coconut. Place with warm water, then drain them. Keep blender with oil with more warm. What is to obtain a second milk and proceed to weigh and skip. Caramelize the brown sugar, add the coconut milk and reduce to 90% until the milk caramelize pull to a moist water, add the lemon. Hot rice brings to a bowl of salt. Hand oil, add the rice and cook until dry. Finish cooking over low heat. I invite you to try this delicious dish from our region to enjoy sweet charm and enjoy the best of Alganstram. Gracias.